Recently, Megan and I did a video entitled 11 whips you need for West Coast swing, but in this video, we're gonna show you a basic whip with an inside and outside turn, but stay till the end of the video and I'll share 10 more whips that'll help you look cool on the social dance floor. Is the whip with the inside turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So good news and bad news. It's same basic whip footwork for me. I don't need to learn anything different, but Megan has slightly different footwork.
All right, followers are gonna go to count 4 of the whip. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna step forward for 5, turn over our left shoulder for 6, and then 7 and 8.
So is that really just one whip? I don't know, but it's the first one on our list of 11. 1, 2, 3, and 4. On count 4, I look at my watch. She goes underneath 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's number 1. But what if she turned the other way for an outside turn? It would look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's a whip with an outside turn. That's number 2. Footwork's the same for me, Miss Megan.
All right, followers, again, to count 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna turn for 5 like normal. Now we're gonna pivot around for 6, and then 7 and 8 come around.
So it's good to know all of these 11 whips, and specifically for the followers, the footwork, because we can change hands and make cooler patterns out of them. But this base pattern is 1, 2, 3, and 4. I put the hand outside, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And if you are a competitive dancer or even just a social dancer, one of the things that I see all the time that annoys me, you don't even know this annoys me, is when we dance the whip with the outside turn, the leader just sort of hucks this hand over, right? So I don't want to huck that hand over. I want to put it up in a, I want to line ourselves up with this. It makes me feel better. So when I get to this position here, I want to put this in a nice small halo around my partner's head. It looks more advanced. So
don't make our halo feel fat.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Small, nice and tight over. All right, as promised, here is the video for 11 whips you need to know for West Coast swing, but maybe cooler if you're serious about West Coast swing. I've got a free gift. It is our pattern tree chart. It will show you how all the patterns that we teach relate back to the basic push, pass, and whip. So in this case, we're talking whips. So you'll be able to see the basic whip, whip with an inside turn, and so on and so forth to the coolest whips you know. You can download it here for free. We'll see you on the other side.